everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we are going to take a look at an absolutely gorgeous 1967 Pontiac Ventura. Guys, I love this car, man. It has had a recent professional body up restoration. They said they stripped this thing down to the bare metal. It has gorgeous Montego cream paint on it. It is beautiful. All the chrome and stainless and brightwork, they sent it all out and had it refurbished. We had these put on. Those are brand spanking new Billet Specialties Salt Runner wheels. That's Billet Specialties' latest wheel that just came out. All new ZR rated rubber all the way around it. It also comes with the factory little white walls and hubcaps. Hubcaps are beautiful. But this car has gorgeous paint, guys. And Nathan and I cruised this thing for the weekend when we bought it. It just drives amazing. I mean, it just hits the road. It's just a little baby doll. I mean, it's a great running and driving car. Again, paint's really slick. The only thing I'm going to do to the car, I wanted to put air on it. My AC guy's a little, you can open the hood down. My AC guy's a little backed up. So I priced the car to come with air conditioning. If you don't want the air, then obviously I'll adjust the price. But this car really deserves air. It's factory air car. But like I say, if you don't want the air, then I will adjust the price. Great car. And it's so different. That's what I like. So unique. I love the taillights. I love the front end on these cars. Nobody's got another one. You're not going to pull into your local car show or something and somebody's going to be sitting next to you with one. I love stuff like this. And then it's a great car. Look how straight that car is. I mean, it is gorgeous. And again, look how nice this stuff is. Again, brand new wheels and tires all the way around it. Comes with the factory original stuff too. Just a killer car. Original Pontiac 400, stock carb, intake and exhaust manifolds. They did upgrade the motor with the hardened valve seat so it runs on pump gas. Power steering, power brakes. Again, it's going to, the way it's priced, it's going to come with a new vintage AC unit. Actually, this stuff I think is actually eliminated. Jeff puts the new unit on them. And it'll have the new controllers inside and everything. Stock air cleaner and valve covers, and like I say, drives like a dream. It hit the road great. Yeah, you can open the doors, Scotty. Yep, sorry. Again, look how nice this stuff is. It's beautiful. Dual chrome mirrors. I think those are original door handles, so. Car's only got like 48,000 miles. Miles are supposed to be right. And then all new white interior in it. Power windows. Those are all new motors. They just went through all that stuff. Now this looks like they did put new carpet in it, but those look like the original sill plates. Love the color combination. The nice thing in the summertime, this thing is going to stay nice and cool inside. Factory steering wheel, look how nice that is. I'm sorry, 43,780. That's supposed to be the right miles on the car. They put an aftermarket temp gauge in there, AM radio. I don't think that worked. Can't remember if that worked or not. Dual exhaust, 400 turbohydramatic trans, stock rear axle. Again, they stripped this thing right down to the bare metal when they did it. I mean, look, all the cracks and crevices, they're super nice. Jack was spare. He's got another tire, like I say, it comes with another complete set of wheels and tires. Just any old parts that he collected for it, he kept that all with the car. That is a killer car. Nice underneath, very original, not, like I say, not overdone. Yeah, if the guy wants just a really nice car, something different, something that not everybody's got, you don't have to break the bank to buy it, I think you're going to love this car. Seats are comfortable. Like I say, we cruised it. Did great in traffic. Good deal. Look how nice this stuff is. And that's beautiful. Just runs and drives, just, like I say, just as sweet as can be. It's a great car. Everything opens and closes. Look at that front end. How cool is that car? It's a work of art, man. Great stance. Gauges were all working. Power windows, like I say, they're all new, so they work great. Go up and down real fast. Oh, we got a light out. Check on that. Yeah, so it's just a bulb loose. Just a great car, man. I know the blower motor worked, but did they click that radio on? Did it come on? I can't remember if it worked or not. I don't think it did. No. I don't think it powered up for us. Wipers work. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking a little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Great way to keep track of us. You can also now register for our website. So that's a real good way to keep track of us. Man, that's a great car. Look at that thing. I mean, as straight as can be. It hits the road awesome.